My name is Jorge Chagoya. My position is with Fish and Wildlife as a scientific aide for the fish restoration program on E-Train team. It's an entry-level position with California Department of Fish and Wildlife. It's a great way to gain first-hand field experience, as well as explore other opportunities within the department and other agencies we collaborate with. The team I'm part of, it's a small group of 10, which 4 of us are lab-based. I work primarily in the labs identifying macroinvertebrates, so the bugs that fish eat. I sort the samples to look for bugs of several different taxa. Some could be as tiny as a couple millimeters, and then I identify them, measure, and count them. I spend most of my time on a dissecting microscope, identifying their different life stages to either species, order, or family. Some of the macroinvertebrates we see are amphipods, which are small crustaceans that resemble shrimp. We also see different types of insects like beetles, mayflies, dragonflies, and water striders, and other crustaceans like copypods, water fleas, isopods, just to name a few. Other things I do in the office is enter data sheets to the database, prep for field work, and calibrate with some of the equipment we use. In the field, we sample in the marsh and out in the delta and deploy different types of gear to collect mesozooplankton and macroinvertebrates that I mentioned earlier. We also deploy nets to collect juvenile fish, which we identify, measure, and count right on the site, and then release them. I attended Stag High School, and I actually graduated from Cesar Chavez. I did my junior and senior year there, here in Stockton. I always liked natural sciences, but in high school, after talking to a couple who are both pharmacists, they explained to me and how it works and what courses I would need for that. And then I decided I want to be a pharmacist. I went to San Joaquin Delta College to do all my transfer curriculum, but after taking chemistry, botany, and zoology, I realized I did far better, and I enjoyed botany and zoology better. And after a field to the Monterey Bay Aquarium with my zoology class, that's when I decided to change my major, and I was like, this is where I belong. Then I transferred to Cal State Monterey Bay and graduated with a degree in marine sciences. And my first job in the field was as a paid intern at CSUMB with the seafloor mapping lab, which my GIS professor ran at the time. I worked there as a boathouse assistant, doing maintenance on the boats and the gear and assisting during the field days. And I got that position during my last year of undergrad after Dr. Vitek, who ran the seafloor mapping lab, was looking for volunteers. I told him I was interested, and he was able to get the funding and turn that position into a paid internship. And I worked there for about a year. After graduation, a friend told me about working for the state and that there are entry-level positions such as the scientific aides, which are geared towards recent grants. I've been in my current position for about a year and a half. My knowledge of terrestrial and aquatic bugs was very minimal, and working with bugs and continuing to learn more about zooplankton and freshwater fish and the freshwater system is something that I truly enjoy, and I want to continue growing professionally in the department. One piece of advice I would give would be to pay attention to math, statistics, and develop good writing skills. Be open to explore several areas of interest through volunteering or talking to people in the field. Reach out to professors and see what opportunities they may have in their labs or outside of class. And to enjoy what they do. Students in general going to college, I would say study abroad if you can. That's the one thing I do regret not doing from my undergrad.